Biodiversity. Question 1. In which of the following regions of India are you most likely to come across the humpbacked mahseer in its natural habitat? A. Chambal River. B. Kaveri Basin. C. Ganges Basin. D. Brahmaputra. Question 2. Consider the following statements regarding dholes. 1. Dhole, also known as Asian wild dog, is a wild carnivorous animal belonging to the canine family and endemic to Southeast Asia only. 2. The dhole is found only in 2 clusters across India, namely the western, eastern Ghats and central Indian landscape. 3. In India, the first conservation breeding center for dhole was built at the Indira Gandhi Zoological Park in 2014. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 and 3 only. B. 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 3. The wetland located in Haryana is a flora and fauna-rich water body. It lies in one of the paleochannel of the Sahibi River, a tributary of Yamuna which originates from the Aravalli range in Rajasthan and flows through the region. It is recognized as a key biodiversity area by the IUCN, recognized globally as an important bird area, IB. By BirdLife International, has not yet been declared a protected wetland by the Government of Haryana. Which of the following wetlands are referred to in the above lines? A. Harike Wetland. B. Pong Dam. C. Basai Wetland. D. Kanjali Wetland. Question 4. In which of the following regions of India are we most likely to come across the saltwater crocodile in its natural habitat? 1. Chambal River. 2. Sundarbans. 3. Bhitarknika National Park. 4. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1, 2 and 4 only. B. 1, 3 and 4 only. C. 2, 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 5. Which of the following species does not belong to the category of mammals and are naturally found in India? 1. Pygmy hog. 2. Anamlai flying frog. 3. Gharial. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 2 only. B. 1 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 6. Consider the following statements regarding agarwood. 1. Agarwood is a resinous part of the non-timber Aquilaria tree and not all Aquilaria tree can produce agarwood. 2. Agarwood is a fast-growing tree species native to Western Ghats and they are endemic to India. 3. IUCN has listed the agarwood species under the critically endangered category in the red list. Which of the statements given above are not correct? A. 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 7. Consider the following statements in context of Asiatic cheetah. 1. Asiatic cheetah slightly bigger than the African cheetahs and listed in Schedule 2 of the Wildlife Protection Act, 1972. 2. The Asiatic cheetah is classified as a critically endangered species by the IUCN Red List. 3. Recently the Government of India launched cheetah reintroduction project in India from South Africa and Namibia to Gir National Park. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 8. Consider the following statements regarding biodiversity conservation. 1. Conservation of biological diversity doesn't lead to the conservation of essential ecological diversity but helps in preserving the continuity of food chains. 2. Established natural habitats are ex situ mode of biodiversity conservation. 3. Unplanned urbanization and uncontrolled industrialization are major hurdles in biodiversity conservation. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 9. Consider the following difference between in situ and ex situ conservation methods of biodiversity. 1. In situ conservation involves the breeding and maintenance of endangered species in an artificial ecosystem, whereas ex situ conservation is the conservation of species within their natural habitat. 2. Examples of in situ are botanical gardens, gene banks, and examples of ex situ are national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, etc. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 10. Consider the following statements with reference to the Man and Biosphere (MAB) program. 1. It is an intergovernmental scientific program. 2. It ensures basic human welfare and a livable environment in the face of rapid urbanization and energy consumption as environmental change drivers. 3. The United Nations Environment Programme (UNEP) has designated biosphere reserves (BR) as representative parts of natural and cultural landscapes. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above.